This video, I'll guide you through the key features of the My Portfolio platform. Step by step, I'll show you how to work with this tool in a clear and practical way. My Portfolio is a modern solution designed to help users collect, organize, and present their achievements. It goes far beyond a traditional e-portfolio or CV generator, serving instead as a dynamic and digital record of personal and professional development. The platform is built to give career counselors, employers, or awarding bodies quick and professional access to essential information about a user's skills and competencies. This makes it easier to understand the progress, experience, and potential at a glance. The system offers two types of accounts: the standard account and three types of professional accounts. The standard account allows users to organize their competencies and supporting evidence, manage their CV folders, and create a personal development plan. All of this content can be easily shared with a career counselor, employer, or the awarding body. The professional accounts include career counselor account, employer account, as well as awarding body account. Each of these enables professionals to collaborate remotely with standard users who choose to share the resources within the platform. Now, let's take a closer look at how this works in practice. My Portfolio is built around two key sections: experiences and competences and evidence. The experiences section includes tabs such as education, professional experience, courses and training workshops, life experiences and social activities, interests, special interests, and finally, About Me and Contact Details section. Each of these sections allows you to enter information while also linking specific competencies and attaching evidence that demonstrates your skills. When you click the Add option in any section, a form will appear with the basic information you need to complete. The required fields are marked with a red asterisk. Once you've filled in the details, you can use Add Competencies, Add Evidence, or the added pencil icon to move to the editing stage. There you can expand your entry by adding relevant competencies and supporting evidence. And it's really straightforward. If you want to add more competencies, you have three sections to choose from. You can use some ready-made competencies that you created in your account. You can also take a look at the competencies from the Integrated Qualifications Register. However, they are right now available only in Polish. And finally, you can browse through a list of transversal or transferable competencies. As you can see, the process is simple and flexible, allowing you to build a complete and credible profile step by step. You can also add evidence in a few simple ways. You can upload a file from your computer. You can add a link to an external source, such as a website. Or if you've already added evidence earlier, you can select it from your existing library within the platform. Once selected, the evidence will be attached exactly where you choose. You can also link a single piece of evidence to multiple competencies. Simply click Add Evidence to selected competencies, and the same item will appear in all the relevant sections that you have chosen. Another important section is the tab Competencies and Evidence. Here, you can highlight your language skills, showcase social competencies, or add additional skills and connect them to your experience. Within the Evidence section, you have space to upload certificates, qualifications, licenses, as well as micro-credentials or any other supporting documents in electronic form. Importantly, these files remain fully manageable. You can download them at any time, rename them, or remove them if needed. Once you've completed your My Portfolio profile and filled in all the sections, you're ready to move on to the Folders and CV tab. Here, you can create up to 10 thematic folders. The main folder, your complete portfolio, is generated automatically and cannot be deleted. It contains all the content you've added across the platform. Based on either the main folder or any selected thematic folder which you can add it, you can also generate a CV. Simply choose the folder you want to base your CV on and use the built-in generator. The generator allows you to select a template, adjust font styles and colors, and customize additional settings. What's more, you can either paste your own consent clause or use one that is generated automatically by the system. In addition to thematic folders, which present your knowledge, skills, and supporting evidence, and the CV generator, the platform also allows you to plan your personal development. In this section, you can create both general and specific goals, helping you map out a clear path towards your educational and career ambitions. All the key elements, such as folders or CVs, can be shared with selected career counselors, employers, or awarding bodies. You can also communicate with professionals using the built-in messaging tool in the Messages tab. In your account settings, you have full control over what you share. You can grant a professional account access to your entire profile or monitor exactly who has access to which elements, withdraw this access at any time. My Portfolio is an intuitive, secure, and dynamic tool that provides a comprehensive, ready-to-evaluate presentation of a user's potential. It's delivered directly to the screen of a career counselor, employer, or awarding body. Create your account today and start building your professional story.